Hard disk drive. The hard disk drive, commonly known as an HDD, is the traditional form of computer storage that has been in use since the late 1950s. It stores data on rapidly spinning magnetic platters stacked inside a sealed metal casing. A mechanical arm with a read and write head moves across the surface of these platters to access and record data, much like a record player needle moving across a vinyl disc. Hard disk drives are capable of storing very large amounts of data at a relatively low cost per gigabyte, which is why they remain popular for bulk storage in desktop computers, servers, and external backup drives. Their main weaknesses are physical fragility due to the moving parts, slower speeds compared to modern alternatives, and susceptibility to damage from drops or vibration. Solid-state drive. The solid-state drive, or SSD, stores data on flash memory chips with no moving parts whatsoever. This fundamental difference from hard disk drives results in dramatically faster read and write speeds, silent operation, lower power consumption, and significantly greater resistance to physical shock. Computers equipped with SSDs boot up in seconds, open applications almost instantly, and transfer files at speeds that would have seemed extraordinary just a decade ago. SSDs were initially far more expensive than hard drives, but prices have fallen consistently over the years, making them the standard storage choice in modern laptops and desktop computers. The absence of mechanical components also means SSDs generally have a longer lifespan than traditional hard drives under normal usage conditions. NVMe Drive. NVMe stands for Non-Volatile Memory Express, and it represents the fastest category of consumer storage available today. NVMe drives connect directly to the motherboard through the PCIe interface rather than through the older SATA connection used by standard SSDs, allowing for dramatically higher data transfer speeds. A typical NVMe drive can read and write data several times faster than even a good SATA SSD, making it the preferred choice for professionals working with large video files, high-end gaming, and demanding creative applications. They are slim, rectangular cards that slot directly into a dedicated port on the motherboard called an M.2 slot. Despite their small physical size, NVMe drives pack extraordinary performance into a form factor barely larger than a stick of chewing gum. USB flash drive. The USB flash drive, also called a thumb drive or pen drive, is a small portable storage device that plugs into a USB port and uses flash memory to store data. Introduced in the early 2000s as a replacement for the floppy disk, it quickly became the most popular way to carry files between computers. They are available in capacities ranging from a few gigabytes to several terabytes and come in an enormous variety of shapes, sizes, and designs. USB flash drives require no external power source, drawing the electricity they need directly from the USB port they are connected to. While cloud storage has reduced the everyday need for physical flash drives, they remain widely used for transferring large files, storing backups, and installing operating systems. SD card. The SD card, which stands for Secure Digital, is a small flat memory card used primarily in cameras, smartphones, drones, and portable gaming devices. It uses flash memory technology similar to USB drives and SSDs, but in a standardized card format designed for slot-based insertion into compatible devices. SD cards come in 3 physical sizes: standard, mini, and micro, with the micro SD card being the most widely used in modern smartphones and action cameras. Speed ratings on SD cards indicate how quickly they can read and write data, which is particularly important for photographers and videographers who need to record high-resolution images and video without interruption. The micro SD card is remarkably small, barely larger than a human fingernail, yet capable of storing hundreds of gigabytes of data. Optical disc. Optical discs store data using laser technology to read and write microscopic patterns on the disk surface. The 3 main formats are CD, DVD, and Blu-ray, each capable of storing progressively more data. CDs were introduced in the early 1980s primarily for audio and could store around 700 megabytes of data. DVDs replaced them in the late 1990s, offering several gigabytes of storage suitable for standard definition video. Blu-ray discs arrived in the mid-2000s with capacities reaching 100 gigabytes or more, enabling high-definition and later 4K video storage. While streaming services have largely replaced physical discs for entertainment consumption, optical media remains relevant for archival storage, physical media collectors, and regions with limited internet access. Network-attached storage. Network-attached storage, commonly known as NAS, is a dedicated storage device connected to a home or office network that allows multiple users and devices to access shared files simultaneously. Unlike a simple external hard drive that connects to a single computer, a NAS device operates independently on the network, functioning essentially as a personal private cloud server. It typically houses multiple hard drives configured to protect data through redundancy, meaning if one drive fails, the data is preserved on the others. NAS devices are popular for small businesses, creative professionals, and home users who need centralized storage for large media libraries, automatic backups, and remote access to files from anywhere in the world through an internet connection. Cloud storage. Cloud storage refers to data stored on remote servers maintained by third-party companies and accessed through the internet rather than on a physical device in the user's possession. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud, and OneDrive allow users to upload files, photos, and documents that can then be accessed from any device with an internet connection. The convenience of automatic synchronization across multiple devices has made cloud storage an essential part of modern digital life for both personal and professional use. Monthly or annual subscription fees are typically charged for storage beyond a basic allocation. While cloud storage offers exceptional convenience and accessibility, users are dependent on internet connectivity and must trust the service provider to maintain security and privacy of their data. External hard drive. An external hard drive is a storage device housed in a protective enclosure that connects to a computer through a USB or Thunderbolt cable, providing additional storage capacity without opening the computer. They are available in two main types: traditional spinning hard disk drives for maximum capacity at low cost, and solid-state drives for faster speeds and greater durability. External hard drives are widely used for backing up important files, expanding storage on laptops with limited space, and transporting large amounts of data between locations. Portable external drives are compact enough to fit in a pocket and draw power directly from the USB connection, while larger desktop external drives require a separate power adapter and offer significantly higher capacities. RAM. Random access memory, universally known as RAM, is a form of temporary high-speed storage that a computer uses to hold data and program instructions that are actively being used at any given moment. Unlike permanent storage, such as hard drives or SSDs, RAM loses all its contents the moment the computer is powered off. The more RAM a computer has, the more applications it can run simultaneously without slowing down, which is why RAM capacity is one of the most important factors in overall system performance. Modern computers typically use a type called DDR4 or DDR5, which refers to the generation and speed of the memory. RAM operates at speeds far beyond what any permanent storage medium can match, acting as a high-speed workspace between the processor and the slower long-term storage where files are permanently saved. That covers all the types of computer storage we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple. We break down a new tech topic every week. Drop a comment below and tell us, which type of storage do you use on your computer? See you in the next one.